This is Ray. He has a dream, a big one. But when he looks at how far he has to go, it feels impossible. He starts thinking too much. Doubts creep in. What if he's not good enough? But then, he decides to take just one step. That's it. One small action toward his dream. Every day, one step. Some days he slips, some days he flies, but he keeps moving. Then comes failure. He falls. Hard. Everything seems dark again.
Have you ever watched a whiteboard animation and thought, wow, I wish I could create something like that? Well, guess what? You can. And not just that. You can also turn these videos into a serious income source. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create professional whiteboard animation videos, all using free tools, and how you can start earning from them. Let's dive in. Every great video starts with a great script. But don't worry, you don't need to be a professional writer. We'll let AI help us here. So open ChatGPT and type this simple prompt. I want to make a whiteboard animation. Please provide me with a script and scene-wise visuals. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed script for you, broken down into different scenes. This makes it super easy to visualize each part of your video. Now that we have our script and scene breakdown ready, let's move to Canva, one of the best free design tools out there. Open Canva and choose the video project format. Start creating each scene based on the visuals ChatGPT provided. You can use elements, characters, and text to match your script. I'll show you how I created 2 scenes, and you can repeat the same process for the rest. Tip: keep your designs simple and clean. White backgrounds work best for whiteboard-style videos. Here I am making first scene according to my script. You can also follow the same process. Now we will add our story narration into our design. Here I copied my script from ChatGPT and paste it from here. Likewise, we will add narration of every scenes. Once you've created and downloaded all your scenes, it's time to bring them to life with animation. Inside Canva, go to the Apps section and search for speedpaint. You'll see a few options. You can try any of them. Now, upload your designed images. Choose your animation speed. Around 5 to 10 seconds works well. Click on Generate. And just like that, your static designs are turned into a smooth, hand-drawn whiteboard animation. Now we'll adjust this page, and we'll also get the remaining scenes generated. To make your video even more engaging, you can add voiceover or background music. Record your voice reading the script you got from ChatGPT, or use a text-to-speech tool. You can also explore Canva's audio library for free background tracks that match the tone of your video. Once everything is ready, preview your animation, make sure everything flows well, and then download your final video.
This is Ray. He has a dream, a big one. But when he looks at how far he has to go, it feels impossible. He starts thinking too much. Doubts creep in. What if he's not good enough? But then, he decides to take just one step. That's it. One small action toward his dream. Every day, one step. Some days he slips, some days he flies, but he keeps moving. Then comes failure. He falls. Hard. Everything seems dark again. But he remembers why he started. He stands up. One more step. And finally, one step at a time, he makes it. Not because he rushed, but because he never stopped. Success doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from tiny, consistent steps. So, take yours today.
And there you go. That's how you create your own whiteboard animation video, without any expensive software or advanced skills. With just Canva and ChatGPT, you can start creating content that looks professional. And even start making money by offering this as a service to others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such creative tutorials. And hey, drop a comment if you're going to try this out. I'd love to see what you create.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.